Are you ready for a change in direction? Join us for the Mars Retrograde. Time to retreat, where we'll explore how Mars's upcoming retrograde phase from December 6th, 2024 to February 23rd, 2025 will influence your life and the path ahead. During this powerful 2.5-month period, Mars, the planet of drive and ambition, takes a step back, inviting us all to pause, reflect, and make creative changes in our lives. This shift of direction can help you re-evaluate your desires, goals, and relationships. Led by professional astrologer Diane Trimbath, this online event will guide you through what to expect during Mars's retrograde phase. You'll gain insight into how this astrological event will affect your personal life, career, and relationships, and where emotional closure may be needed. Discover how this shift of drive will manifest for your sun sign and the collective energy for all 12 zodiac signs. So, this will not just cover you, but your loved ones, family, and friends as well. Whether you're facing changes in love, former dreams, or your life's ambitions, this event will help you embrace the changes with clarity and confidence. Don't miss this opportunity to dive deep into the astrological significance of Mars retrograde and the creative potential it holds for your future. Join us, reflect, and reset your course for 2025. Register now for the Mars retrograde, time to retreat event, and step into the new year with renewed focus and direction. Visit our website or click on the link below to reserve your spot now.